Hey guys, so I'm filming this on a Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday and the day before was Friday, and both on Friday and Saturday crazy things happened. It was amazing. Let me tell you the story. So on Friday I went to my high school. I'm going to my high school to get my ID photo taken. I thought I was late, but I'm actually right on time. It was pretty nice. And while I was there, I saw these lads.
2, 3, 1.
Yo guys, check out these guys over here. What's
Shout
up?
out to Abdulaziz.
Yeah, shout out. Wait, shout out to Abdulaziz. And this is my video. How does that work? Anyway.
Subscribe button. Last vlog.
This guy was in the last vlog. None of you guys were there.
Don't stick your head out the window just to say hi to a YouTuber.
Now actually, I was going to my high school to do 3 things. To get a locker, to get my school computer, and to take my ID photo. And I was only able to finish one of them. And the reason I wasn't able to get the other 2 things done is that to get my school computer, I had to have a piece of paper signed by my parents, which I didn't even know about, and to get a locker, a whole lot of complicated business. And so that was on Friday. But yesterday, something even more amazinger happened. I got a new laptop. This is my 15-year-old's review of the 15-inch MacBook Pro. All right, so we're finally opening it up now, which is exciting. Here we go. Here's my reaction in 4K. You want to sniff it? Here's my brother sniffing it.
Oh, that smells so good.
That smells horrible. Okay, let's get started. I hear. Oh, it opens up. Look at it light up. Look at it light up. Ooh. Hi guys. That is one glory. And as you would probably expect when you get a brand new toy, I pretty much stayed up really late, like discovering all its features and whatever. And something that might be a little bit hard to believe for you is that for the last 4 months, I've been editing anything and everything on my smartphone. Which is really crazy now that I think about it. But now, since I have a new computer, I'll start editing on that, so... Wait, hold on. Right now I'm recording. Wow, that is loud.
Yeah.
Can I try? Alright, so basically the game that we're gonna play, one of these is in here, is still live, but we don't know which bullet it is. So
Shoot it.
we're gonna put it close to our ear and take turns shooting it.
No.
My
Don't
turn.
Don't pull the trigger.
Works one, we bop and skippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom.
Oh my god!
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh.
Okay.
It is really windy here, so
If you want more of this, go down in the comments down below and say I want you to play Russian roulette more. Dab on them haters.
I'm in love, I don't care.
hold on, I gotta get my shirt. I gotta get my shirt. There's my shirt.
We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I